Okay, now I'm gonna review the different tripods and lenses that I got for my camera. Since I was doing so much videos, I thought I'd get more accessories to play around with. Um, I got two different tripods. The second tripod actually came with that telephoto lens, and I'll try to show as many examples and the difference as possible. I might do this just through taking photos and adding a link in the notes to like a Facebook page or something like that. But this first tripod, if you'll notice, both tripods are exactly the same. The only difference is the holder. So first of all, to go over the tripod, this is difficult to do without a tripod. The legs extend, but not very far. And I've been using this one, taking some pictures with the macro lens that I'll show a little bit. And one of the legs collapses really easy, and the other two are just fine. One's a little bit stiffer than the other. So the tripod, I would say, is very low quality, very limited use, but the mounts are just your standard tripod mounts. So in theory, you could use this with any tripod. Now this one works okay. The side thing helps keep it a little bit more stable, but man, this is stretched to the max. When I put it on my phone, it doesn't go much farther. It does go over my case. I have a very thin case, so it doesn't seem to affect it at all. But I have read some reviews where people said it broke easily. So I haven't really extensively used it. I've put it on my phone and taken it off, and that's about it. But the mount that came with the telephoto lens, it came with everything seen here. I mean, this kit, it came with a lens clean cloth, telephoto lens, the extra case that you click on to actually mount the lens. It's got, I don't know if you can see, it's basically a screw mount. So you snap that on your camera, and then it screws on. So I haven't really played with it yet, but it looks really fun. And I know most of the difficulty I have when taking stuff from my camera is I end up walking right up to it because I'm just too far away, and the lenses on the camera are really low power, so it helps a lot. I mean, it makes it really easy. So tripod is low quality. I like this mount. It seems to have even more play above it, and it's really easy to mount to the phone. The one thing I'll have to say is that, you know, when you mount it on the back, it goes over your screen. So if you're mounting it this way and it's actually facing you, and you're using the camera that's on that side, it's not a problem. But if you put it this way so the screen is there, it blocks the view of whatever you're taking pictures of. So that's a little bit of a downside, but not much. I mean, this has got the same thing where the clip is going to go right across the back of your screen, unless you're doing video of yourself or taking pictures of yourself. Then it wouldn't be a problem. And then the last thing I got was a little wide-angle macro lens. Now this is actually two pieces. You know what? I'm gonna actually